my name is Miriam Cruz. I'm a certified probate and trust specialist. I'm also a senior specialist, and I help families that are going through probate sell real estate. So today I wanted to share a little bit about what it means to have the letters of administration and to be authorized to sell real estate when you're going through probate. There are many times that I connect with clients, whether it's via phone or they reach out to me and they want to sell real estate in their probate, and sometimes they're not authorized to do so. The letters of administration is a document basically provided by the court letting you know as administrator or executor if you are authorized to sell real estate or basically represent the estate of the decedent. It's a process. It doesn't happen automatically. Either you file your petition through the court or an attorney will file that petition for you. And once the court has reviewed your file and granted that authorization, you'll be notified, hopefully by your attorney or by the courthouse. And this document gives you the authority to start making decisions or start handling any finances or anything related to the probate matter. So once you have that document, the counties here in California that I work with, these counties, many times the personal representative is notified by their attorney. And once you receive that document or once you are notified that you've been appointed, you're able to make decisions, and that's when you can sell the property. So the title company is going to ask for this document. Your real estate agent should be asking for this document. And that document is also provided to the buyer side. It's also a document that informs everyone that you are authorized to sell property. So this document is really important. Once you have this document, then you can start making decisions on the property and start deciding whether you need to do anything to the home in order to get it ready for the market or if it's ready as is. So for that conversation, you of course would hopefully work with a specialized agent who can help you. I always recommend working with a certified probate and trust real estate agent who is very knowledgeable and skilled in this area so they can guide you. Feel free to reach out if you have any questions. My information is on all of my social media accounts. I'm here to assist or provide any resources that you might need. And thank you so much for watching.